Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to teach you all the song Deathbed. So the chords are C, A minor, F, and F minor. So if you all already know these chords, you can skip this part, but I'm going to teach you all the chords if you are a beginner for the ukulele. So let's move to the chords part. So the first chord is C. So in the third fret, the last string, the third fret, here we have C. This is C. Then we have A minor, which is just the side of it here. That means the fourth string, second fret. This was A minor. Then we move on to the F chord, which is the index finger on the first fret of the second string and the middle finger on the second fret first string. So it would sound like this. And for F minor, you need to put your index finger on the first fret first string and your middle finger on the first fret third string and your little finger on the third fret last string. So these were the chords. Now let's move to the strumming pattern. So now we are on the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Now let's move to the chord progression. So now we are on the chord progression. So for the chord progression, first we'll in the order which I taught you all the chords. So the chord progression is also in that order. So first the C chord, which is, then we have the A minor, then F, and then F minor. Now let's join and add both the strumming pattern and the chords and listen to what the final song is. Keep in mind that your ukulele is properly tuned. Let's start. Let's start the song. Don't stay away for too long and don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and go down to bed. Oh, I don't want no sleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of the future cause I've never seen those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Cause yeah, we're still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, have a family, watch your husband with the sun. I'm sorry it cannot be me, I won't make it out this bed, but I hope I go to heaven so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, now it sucks all this is ending. Don't stay away for too long and don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee. So guys, this was the full song. If you all found this song easy watching my video, please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends who also have a ukulele. Thank you.